Yo, what's going on? Redoing. What's up, everyone? Another trade recap. I took two trades today, actually. I took a win in the morning, and then I was gonna hop off, and it was just like an A+ setup, so I decided to take it as well. Ended up making $1,000 across two XFAs, and then I also passed two other combines. So I'm on 4 XFAs now. I haven't taken any trades on these two yet. Pretty messy. It says 9 trades. I took partials on the 2 trades I took, and then not gonna lie, took a few that I didn't need to in the morning. We're gonna forget about it though. Like I didn't even take any positions. I would literally just like click sell, and then right away I was like, oh no, I'm not doing that, and then I'll click buy. Whatever, bro. Whatever. All right. So first like win of the day, I guess. Alright, I caught longs off this move down. So coming into the day, I honestly was looking for... Well, okay, here's the thing. The past couple days have been similar. Like, we are obviously in a downtrend. So I'm coming into the day bearish. But at the same time, we swept this low yesterday. Or not yesterday, like last week. Yeah, it's Monday. What am I talking about? We swept this low last week. And we also tapped into, where was it? Right here. Oh my god, bro. This 4-hour gap, and also swept this 4-hour intermediate low. Right here. So, after seeing that, I was looking for longs, just because that is such strong conviction. This 4-hour intermediate low, as well as this higher time frame PD rate, and then, yeah, potential draws to the upside. So, yeah, we swept this low at about 9 Eastern, and then we came down, reswept that low, I guess. And then at this point, I'm just looking for the highest time frame inversion. And it was a 5-minute off this leg. We have a 5-minute gap along here. Not 5-minute, what am I saying? 3-minute. I was literally just on it. We have this 3-minute gap right here, waiting for the highest time frame inversion. We didn't get the greatest fill, and another issue with this trade was that we closed and we also swept out this high, but I wasn't too nervous about that just because of the amount of displacement. And we also tapped into this, all the other confluences I said already, tapped into the 4-hour and swept that 4-hour intermediate low. So I wasn't too worried about this like 3-minute high that we're taking out. This displacement like tells me that we want to head up. So yeah, I bought off that pretty yeah. I think I made about 500 on the trade. I might have targeted less. I might have just targeted 1-to-1 actually. Oh yeah, I think I was targeting these highs for 1-to-1, and I didn't have this right at the wick, but something like that. And then I made 500 in that trade, and then this was the mech model. Other issue with this trade is that I entered thinking that we got an inversion, and we didn't. It was like on the line, this 5-minute candle. So pretty much after we came up, we made a large move up. We tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap, and also swept out this 15-minute intermediate high. Actually, I guess it's not in it, but we swept this high and tapped into this gap and put it in SMT. This was like A+ mech model. We just didn't get the fill, which I actually thought we did. We didn't inverse that gap. But as soon as we started coming down lower, I just entered and targeted this unfilled 5-minute gap. Like A+ mech model, besides the fact that we didn't actually get the inversion. But yeah, and then I targeted a 1-to-1 as well, and made 1,000 across 2 accounts. So on this account, I'm now winning. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll cut that out. On this account, I'm now 2 winning days away from another payout. Bounces at 5.5k. If I can get, maybe I'll just full port the next couple days, try and get the bounce on these up. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna stick to what I'm doing, except for all that dumb shit in the morning. I just need to be patient for my setup, because 2 setups literally formed today. I just need to like be patient for them. I don't even know. Whatever, bro. I just need to like start doing it. Just being patient in the mornings. But yeah, so I have 2 fresh XFAs. And I'm going to Just trying to build the balance up on these a little bit. Try and get these. I don't think, since I've already taken a few payouts, I think I'm going to like actually wait to take payouts on these new ones until I can take at least like, well, I mean, not at least a max payout, but I'm gonna try and wait to try and take payouts on these, like, and try and get as close to a max payout as possible. So, oh my god, if I can get a max payout on all 4 of these accounts, that'd be just pretty nice month. Then I might have to quit the job. That'd be a 20K month. But yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna slowly start building up those balances, and then yeah, pretty good price action today. A lot of movement. We just ended up dumping. Probably gonna come into the day bullish or bearish tomorrow, looking to target these lows unless we take them out overnight. And then even look to take out, if we come down all the way here overnight, I'm gonna look to target these lows. I don't even know what this is from. October 10th, was there like news? There had to have been some sort of news. No, there wasn't news on October. I don't know. We'll see though. Probably gonna be bearish the rest of the week though, is my prediction. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Just yeah, that is it. That is all I got. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.